Getting warm now.
Did you watch how slow Paulo went?
Yeah, I did.
You need to watch.
Isn't it my turn yet?
No. Watch him with his arms. See how slow? Look at him.
Is it my turn yet, Pam?
No, not yet, sweetheart.
Hey, good job.
Great
Yay,
job.
What
Polly!
is he, Danny? Go.
I bet you can.
I think so.
Okay, but remember to kick your feet, please. Watch Harper, watch Olivia.
I will.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's good.
I see that motor running that time. Much better. Very
Yay!
good. Much better. I saw her feet going too.
Okay, it's not my turn.
No, you're fine. You got everything you can. So don't worry. Worry.
What? It's not my turn, Mama.
No, it's not. Watch out. Look at it. You put your head down. Oh, God.
Are they floating?
Miss Olivia,
They went down to the
I need you to kick those feet.
They didn't use their motor.
Very good, eh?
Yay, Livy! Give me 5. Livy!
Very good.
Nice job, Olivia.
Olivia.